So in the question we have length of iron rod is 50 centimeters and is joined end to end to an aluminium rod of length 100 centimeters. So L1 is 50, L2 is 100 centimeters. We'll convert it into meters. 50 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 100 into 10 to the power of minus 2, which is equal to 1 meter. And the coefficients of linear expansion of iron is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius, and of steel this is for iron, and for steel it is 24 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. Average coefficient of the rod when they are as they are joined, we need to find the new coefficient of linear expansion. So we can write delta L1 plus delta L2 is the change in length of the new rod that is formed by joining this iron rod and steel rod. We'll take it as L3. Delta L1 is equal to L1 alpha 1 delta T. They are raised by same temperatures. Next, delta L2 is equal to L2 alpha 2 delta T. Now we should find delta L3 is equal to L1 plus L2 into alpha 2 minus alpha 1, the new alpha, which is formed by joining the rods, into delta T. Now we'll replace the values. L1 is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into alpha of iron is 12 into 10 to the power, this is minus 2, 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into delta T, plus delta L2 is L2 into, that is 1 meter, into alpha is 24 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into delta T is equal to delta L3. Delta L3 is L1 plus L2. L1 plus L2 is 1 meter plus 0.5 meters. So 1.5 into alpha 1 into delta T. Delta T is same for all, so delta T and delta T will get cancelled. We'll take this as 0.5 into 12 plus 24. We'll take 10 to the power of minus 6 common, which is equal to 1.5 alpha 1. 0.5 into 12 is 6. 6 plus 24 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to 1.5 alpha 1. So this is 30. 30 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is equal to 1.5 alpha 1. 1.5 ones, 1.5 20s. So alpha 1 is equal to 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. So the option is 1.